the trading sessions where I'm not trading anymore. We're just going to review what price did. So as you saw from last video, you pull it up. Is it gonna? No. So from last video, we called this to be the low of the day. As you can see, that is there. It's the same price action there. So we did call this to be low of the day. On the 15, let me go on the 5, it'll look more identical. There you go. So low of the day was called right here. Took a screenshot, 2 AM, bang, look at price. So go and study that. Literally everything's in front of you, so you just need to go and look. It's literally in front of you. So obviously, as you can see, we have this lower day. We'll skip past that. I'll leave you to look into that. About 9:30, what we do is we marked out this all-time high and this low-hanging fruit high. As you can see, the reason being, actually, let me get into that. So why are we looking at this high and this high now? Reason being, we've taken out this low right here. So where do we look? We don't look for this high because that's already been traded up to. So this low would be ERL, whereas IRL inside right here, this fair value gap, whatever, we can scroll down to lower time frames, but this is ERL to IRL to then ERL up here, because this low made this high. We took this low, so we're coming for this high after rebalancing price. This is also all-time highs. And one thing I did notice that I was chatting to in the Discord was the current contract MNQZ did not take this out yet, but the continuous contracts has taken all-time highs. So yeah, that's contract S&T, which is a bit weird, but well, yeah, I don't really know what to think of that. This the continuous contracts have taken all-time highs, but the Z contract has not. Let's actually look at NQZ. Is that right? Yeah, of course it's right. NQZ, yeah. So the Z contracts haven't taken it out yet. So I suppose that's contract SMT, but yeah. So ERL to IRL to ERL. So our target was here, this low hanging fruit, and this ultimate target. Did call this in the Discord. Am I going to be able to find it though? Let me see. Yeah, the boys back. 1 sec. Right. Said a lot. Okay. So we're going to go to 21049. There we go, and then we can scroll up. Okay, low hanging fruit. So we did call 21249 which is this one, and 21049, which is relative to this one. Low hanging fruit right there called, I did set an alert, so I'll just show you that. It's probably easier actually. This one here, created at 2 o'clock, hit at 2:36. So I'll click on that to show you where it was. Is it going to show me? Let's activate it. Yeah, here. So we called that, so that's a dub. We called Law of the Day at 2 AM, that's a dub. So price, there was one entry that I saw that I sent to the Discord. So 9:30 opens. Look at the 1 minute time frame. We had a high, low, higher high. That is not the right candle. Oh, what's it doing? Wait, that's not the right one. Okay, 9:30. So it was literally on 9:30. High, low, no. Low, high, lower low, higher high. So that low to the high is your breaker block. You could have also said high, low, higher high. No, brother, I'm actually bugging out. Low, high, lower low, higher high. Breaker block. You could literally just the higher time frames. So low, high, lower low, bang. This is just chop. 3 minutes clearer. Low, high, lower low. Breaker. 1 minute's clearer, even that. Low, high, lower low. Bang. Low, high, lower low. Bang. It's all fractal. So this could have been your entry at 9:30. We literally tapped it straight away. Stop. Well, if you'd have put it here, you'd have stopped out. You'd probably put it below this swing or this wick. There. Your first target probably would have been that 1.2R. If you'd have gone break even at that, then you'd have got stopped out, and we've gone like the 4 hour. See any targets to the left other than that high? Not really. Maybe the top of the fair value gap you could have had. So there. But ideally you just want to see all time highs get run, which would be, well, we're running right now 6R. Total would be 10R. Yeah, this was the 4 hour candle opening. As you can see, 4 hour here. If we mark this wick, we'll have a look into it. So I can see we've got, we make a low, make a high, make a low, make a higher high. So high, low, higher high. That's our short term bearish breaker. And then we make a low, high, lower low. The last up close would be your breaker. So as you can see, we get that in here. We then tap into it, kind of disrespect it, but we just tap into the true CSD of the candle, 50% right there. Because as you know, if you'd have watched one of my videos, the true CSD of candles is the opening price. So this is the open, that's the low. When we close back above it, right here, with a breaker, this is our true CSD, so we can tap in, and price pushes off that right there. Look at the 3 minute price chopping around. Wasn't really much. Suppose you could say low, high, lower low. That could be a breaker, which it's just about tapping now. 5 minutes chop, literally everything's chop, so yeah, hence why I'm not trading this. But yeah, I'm going to show you a quick, am I going to show you a quick example? No, I don't want to bait out the source. But yeah, essentially that was price today. I'll do an emotional journal quick, even though I mean there's not really much to it because I didn't trade, but yeah, it'll probably be a quick emotional journal, but we'll do it separately anyways. But yeah, ultimately we want to see all-time highs get taken on this contract. All the other contracts haven't. So yeah, that's been our day. As you can see, daily candle, open, low, whatever. Currently making the high. And if we pull up that screenshot again, we mark the wick. We go on the 5. Like we said, the true CSD of any candle is the opening price. So here we did our thing. We made a breaker in the wick, which is the one that I called. Let me pull it up. Right there. So low, high, lower, low, up. That's your breaker in the wick. Low, high, lower, low, up. Bit below. So it's good. That's our breaker block. Right there. As you can see, like I said, price can tap in to the top of this and the breaker. If we mark the quadrants from here to here, when we close above it, we only work the upper quadrant. In the upper quadrant, we don't even come to 50%. So yeah, but hopefully that hasn't just confused you. Don't want you to get confused. That's extra source, what I posted today. This is price now. So yeah. Obviously, if you've taken market structure shift, fair value gap, bang, whatever. But ultimately, we want to see all-time highs run out. So I'll leave this on my chart. We'll leave that on my chart. And yeah, that's it for the video. And I'll see you guys in the emotional journal.